Prepare to be captivated by the world premiere of the new Passat variant. Volkswagen is proud to present the latest generation of this iconic mid-sized car, packed with innovations and advancements that elevate the driving experience to new heights. Boasting a host of cutting-edge features, the new Passat variant represents the 9th generation of Volkswagen's renowned mid-sized car, with over 50 years of history and more than 30 million units sold. Its development stage, known as MQB Evo, has allowed Volkswagen to fully exploit the potential of the modular transverse matrix, resulting in remarkable improvements across various aspects of the vehicle. From the moment you step inside, you'll be greeted by an intuitive display and operating concept that puts control at your fingertips. The high-quality interior showcases Volkswagen's commitment to premium craftsmanship, while an array of innovative features, such as the new adaptive chassis control system and Ergo active front seats, ensure a ride of exceptional comfort and enjoyment. With an increased length and improved design, the new Passat variant offers more legroom and a larger luggage compartment compared to its predecessor. Whether you're transporting passengers or cargo, this mid-sized car provides ample space for every adventure. Volkswagen has incorporated a new display and operating concept, featuring a range of infotainment display options and touch sliders for precise control. The available IQ Light LED matrix headlights illuminate the road ahead with remarkable clarity, ensuring optimal visibility and safety. The new Passat variant offers a range of drivetrain options, including turbodiesel engines, turbocharged petrol engines, mild hybrid systems, and plug-in hybrid systems. With increased electric ranges of up to 100 kilometers and faster charging capabilities, Volkswagen is committed to enhancing sustainability and efficiency. The new Passat variant is a testament to Volkswagen's dedication to innovation, comfort, and performance. With its advanced technologies, refined interior, and versatile capabilities, it sets a new standard for mid-sized cars. Experience the future of driving as the new Passat variant arrives in the first quarter of 2024, continuing the legacy of excellence that defines Volkswagen's iconic mid-sized offering.